Here we go! German Christmas Stollen, traditional Christmas Stollen. First of all, I love this time of the year. I love playing around in the kitchen and baking and all of that, and the spices and the smells across the table here. It's just like magical. Now, the recipe that I'm going to share is the recipe from my family recipe, which is called the traditional German Quarkstollen. I'm just going to go through the various ingredients and the proportions, the exact measurements you will find in the recipe below the video. Okay, let's start. We are using self-rising flour. I've chosen to use half gluten flour and half gluten-free flour, basically replacing half of it with almond flour. Simply, if you use only gluten-free flour, I have found the Stollen becomes very dry. You can do it, and I've done it, and it still tastes delicious, but it's a bit too dry for me. I want it quite nice and moist. Then we have some crushed hazelnuts to go in. We use 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, and some cranberries, and coconut oil. And here we go, some spices. So we have cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom, crushed cardamom. And these are very typical Christmas spices, specifically the cinnamon and the ginger. And then we have brown sugar. I have reduced the amount of sugar, and you can really even go less sugar if you want to. And I got this from Germany, which is vanilla sugar. Basically, it's sugar with added vanilla paste to it. It gives a nice flavor. What have we got? We have got butter. Okay. Then we have got some more mixed nuts. And this is a mix of the peel. This is mix of lemon and orange peel. Then we have got some marzipan. I'm just gonna work the marzipan into the dough. And these are raisins. And the raisins, they have been soaked in rum. Yes, real rum. And what else have we got? This is the quark. So I will show you as we make the recipe how to best use it in order to prevent it from becoming lumpy. So more rum, and then we have got some almond essence. We have some organic lemon extract, and then my own personal touch. I will use some vanilla essential oil, organic, and also some wild orange organic essential oil to go in it. There we go. Let's get cracking. Merry Christmas and guten Appetit.